museum at late afternoon. I was glad to have got in. It was closing soon. I headed straight for the Artes Mundi exhibition, having been wanting to see it all week. While moving through the art pieces, I focused my attention on a darkened room. The hissing and squelching coming from the exhibits was intriguing, if a bit disturbing. I turned to move on to the next exhibit when I heard a noise behind me. Thinking it was the lift, I walked to it and found it open. It's empty. I thought it was odd, but shrugged it off as a fault. I started to turn back when the lights turned off. I froze, shocked by the change. I wildly looked around, trying to make shapes in the darkness. I heard footsteps. I stopped breathing. One finger in the darkness. My heart went into overdrive, pounding in my ears. I was suddenly blinded, my eyes not adjusting to the light directly in my face. I shut my eyes as a large hand landed on my shoulder. "Are you all right there?" a man in uniform asked me as the light, his torch, moved from my face. "Sorry, but the museum's closing now, you've got to leave." I stuttered my thanks and bolted from the building as fast as I could, probably earning a strange look from the security guard in the process. I got into my car and took deep breaths. Okay, lesson learned, I thought to myself. Museums at night, never again.